In this video, I'll show you how to change the Facebook video cover photo in Meta Business Suite step by step. If you want to update the thumbnail for a video on your Facebook page, you can do it while uploading the video, or, for eligible videos, by editing the video details. First, open your web browser and sign in to Meta Business Suite with the Facebook account that manages your page. Next, go to the Content section and either upload a new video or select a video that supports editing. During the upload process, look for the thumbnail or cover photo option. Choose one of the automatically generated thumbnails or upload a custom image if that option is available for your account. Adjust the thumbnail if needed, then save your changes. Review the video to make sure the new cover photo looks the way you want before publishing or updating it. If you don't see the option to change the cover photo for an existing video, keep in mind that some published videos don't allow thumbnail editing after they've been posted. In that case, you may need to upload the video again with the desired cover photo. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy app tutorials. Thanks for watching.